Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, again I am thinking of practicing a conversation. Let's practice a conversation like I am questioning you and you are answering to my questions. Okay, so let's start this question answer conversation, and I am thinking that we should question and answer around the topic I love to travel. What do you think? Is it a good topic? So let's practice. Okay, let's start the video. Hey, do you like to go to different places? What makes you happy about traveling? Have you been to a beach before? Do you like to take pictures when you travel? Where is the most fun place you have been? Do you like to travel with your friends and family? What do you do when you are in a new city? What is your favorite thing about airplanes? Do you have a favorite thing when you travel? What is your favorite snack while traveling? Have you ever seen a big mountain? What is the coolest animal you have seen in your travels? Do you like going on a train ride? How do you feel when you are at the beach? What is the best part of a road trip for you? Do you like staying in hotels? What is the first thing you do when you arrive at a new place? How do you learn about new places you want to visit? Okay, what do you like about the sea or ocean? Now let me ask you the last question. If you could go anywhere in the world, where would you go? Okay, so that's all for today. So thank you. Take care. Bye.